Sharavana. Good morning everyone. I am J. Shiva Alagi, 4th standard B section. Today I am very proud to speak about our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. Narendra Modi is the 15th Prime Minister of India. He was born on 17th September 1950 at Nagar in Gujarat. His full name was Narendra Damodar Das Modi. His mother name was Hiraben Modi. His father name was Damodar Das Mulchand Modi. Narendra Modi became Prime Minister in 26th May 2014. Before being PM, he is the CM of Gujarat. He works for the development of India. He introduced Swachh Bharat Mission to clean India. He travels many countries and strengthening India's friendship. He introduced many welfare schemes for people like Suganya Samriddhi Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. Like this, many peoples in India and around the world admire him. Our great success is Sindoor Operation. I feel very proud to such a great leader for our country. Thank you. Jai Hind. Om Sharavana Bhava.